If x squared minus 6y squared equal to 36 and x plus y is equal to 9, what is the value of x minus y? Very simple. All we need to do, if you watch, this is difference of 2 squared. So bring out this. X squared minus y squared equal to 36. So what we do here, this will be in 2 brackets. The y here is 1. You've seen it now. That this one is minus, this is plus, this is y equal to 36. You've seen it? We've separated it because x is twice here and y is twice here. Look at it. It's having a negative and a positive equal to 36. Now let's substitute. If you watch, x plus y is equal to 9. So it shows that anywhere you see your x plus y, replace it with what? With 9. Then we'll not get these our answers here. So to rewrite this, we replace it with substitute. So it will be x minus y. Shut it down. Then you open the brackets, replace this with 9, then equal to 36. Shut it down. Now, in order to look for x minus y, we divide both sides by 9, so that the x minus y will be alone. So we divide both sides by 9. When 9 cancels this, it becomes x minus y. Shut it down. So what can go? 3 here is 3. 3 here is 12. 3 here is 1. 3 here is 4. So our x minus y gives us 4 as the answer. Thank you.